Hello, I'm Akhil Vinod, and I'm here to explain the program of implementing a list. And this is a class list, and inside class list, we have defined a structure called node. Node is the like in the list. It's a node that contains data and a pointer called next that points to the next link. Sorry, the next node. And then we have initialized a pointer called head, and then pointer temporary and point p. And inside the uh, inside we have functions called add and end, which accepts a int value. And then first we'll check if head is equal to null. If it's null, we'll add we'll assign temp temp's data equal to the new data, that is t, and then the link as null because there is no other node, and then we are making the head as temp. And if there are already elements inside the list, if there are already elements inside, we create the node, and then we in this line the p pointer goes till it reaches the end, and at the end it adds, and the other function is called add at beginning. It also accepts integer variable, and then likewise it checks if head is null. If it's null, it adds to the it adds and makes head equal to temp, and otherwise we create the node object, and then we assign the data, and we make the link the first node of the link. We make it we point it to the new node over here, and then we make head equal to temp, and another function called add at position, which accepts the data and the position to which we have to add. And likewise we check if it's null. If head is null, we just add it. Otherwise we create the temporary and p node, and then we assign the data to the temp node, and if it's the first one, we add it to the starting as we discussed earlier. Otherwise we traverse till we in this line there's a loop that traverses till the position is reached. If the position is reached, we check this stops when p is reached or when p is equal to null. If null, there are no such position in the list, and otherwise if p is not equal to null, that means we have found. So if we have found, we add it at that position, and then there's a function called display which displays the node using a loop while temp equal to null. It goes on till temp reaches null. And then there's a function called delete, which accepts a data value, and then creates a temporary node over here. And then if the list is empty, we print list is empty. Otherwise we search for the data. This line, we search for the data, and then we delete that particular data, that node. And then inside the main function, this is a menu driven program, so inside a while loop we ask the user to input one